Hey guys, check out this 2025 Scout 277 LXF offered by SkipperBud's, Lake St. Clair at Belmar and Mercury Harbors. This boat is powered by twin 225 Mercury outboards. Large rear deck space. The rear seat does flip up out of the way for extra casting space. Gear. Nice dive door. Large dive door for a 27. Garmin GPS chart plotter, fish finder. The front seating area does convert down to a lounge pad. Looking aft. Cooler underneath this forward-facing seat. This boat is available now. Winter storage for the rest of the season will be included. Refrigerator.